Let's say that we have to create this drawing in front of us. Okay, knowing that our dimensions are in millimeters, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna go in UV and then we go metric, standard, we go create. So you don't have to worry about this one. So once we are on our drawing board, what we're gonna do is we're going to sketch then we're gonna choose a rectangle. I always prefer starting my drawing with rectangles. So there we go. Then there is my rectangle. I'm gonna start there. Okay. Then this one here need to be 60 millimeters, so 60 millimeters, right? And then I'm gonna come for this one here. So this one need to be 30, so 30 millimeters, right? So that one is 30 millimeters. So this one from there up to there. Okay, let me punch that one. So that's one up to there need to be 30, so 30, right? Yeah, then I'm gonna go for the spot here. You see this spot there, the one inside. Okay, let me show you properly. That's one. So I'm gonna come here and draw this. Okay, once I draw that one, I'm gonna give it dimensions. So this one here need to be 30, so 30, right? Great. And that one they need to be 10 millimeters, so 10, which means from there up to there that one needs to be 10 as well, right? Because this needs to be centered, 10 as well. And from here up to there that one needs to be 15, right? So 15. So once that is done, I'm gonna go for this upper part. Okay, talk about this upper part, those two, right? So I'll come here, I'll draw my first leg, I can call it leg, then I'll draw my second one. Okay, then I'll come for this small part here, right? The one that we're seeing here, that one. Okay, so I need to make sure that this one here is 30, so 30. Okay, and that one need to be 10 millimeters for the thickness, so 10 millimeters. And there as well I need to have 10 millimeters, right? Now I need to make sure that the distance between this one and that one is 20 millimeters, so 20. Okay, which means from there up to here that need to be 10, so 10. Great. So I come down here, I need to make sure that's one up to there makes 15, so 15. Okay, and again from there to there need to be half of 15, which is 7.5, so 7.5. Great. So once I have my frame, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go and trim there and trim this spot. So I don't want that spot, right? I don't want this spot either. Okay, so once I have that done, I'm gonna go on 3D model. I say extrude. So I'm going to extrude this whole part. That's one plus that need to go to 70 millimeters, so 70. Great. Okay, I have that one done. So I have it done. So I'm gonna come here now to draw this part. So I need to have this. Okay, so I'll come here, I click on it, I'll say new sketch. Right, so now here is my new sketch, right? So there you go. So I'm gonna give this one here, I can make it 25, does not matter, so 25. At the same time I need to make sure that from there up to there that one needs to be 15, so 15. Great, 15. And this whole part here need to be 20, so 20. Great. And again I need to make sure that this one is centered. As you can see here, it's centered, right? Can you see that? Centered. So I'll come here, I'll say from there up to here this one needs to be 25. Okay, so 25. Then enter, then it's at the center, right? Now I'll go on 3D model, I say extrude, again I'll punch there, and I say I want to cut it, so I'm gonna cut it, and I will say 120. I wanna make sure that I cover the whole length of my drawing. Now I will make sure that this one goes both sides of my drawing, so I will come there, say both sides. There we go. Right, so there is your drawing. You know, it looks beautiful, right? So what you want to do next now is to give the material. So you might go for whatever material that pleases you, but as far as I'm concerned, I'm gonna go for gold. I enjoy gold. I like gold though. I mean, it is what it is. So it was a pleasure of mine sharing this video with you. I hope that you enjoyed it. I hope that you're gonna enjoy it. For now, I'm gonna ask you to take care of yourself and see you on the next video. So please don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share, don't forget to like, and take care. Bye.